Getting ready for the Newcastle to Bird Island race, part of the Newcastle Offshore Spring Series. All the crew of Concealed Weapon. So we've got me, Peter, Amanda, Evan, Stu, Ash, our fearless leader Barry,
Duck lips Barry,
and Glenn.
Need a bit of water to dry, folks.
Jean, frantic, going out of the harbour under ASIM.
It's getting full that one.
Told you it's been a bit, you know.
Yeah, if you can make it into the next little beach.
That's where I thought we'd come up with.
If we can,
You don't have the pressure.
we get a little bit down pressure, would be nice.
Currently in second place behind Frantic, who's out behind our sail somewhere. We've got, she's the culprit, and Marta Jean behind us. Going upwind, we've got dolphins.
nice one.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go, they're flying. He probably left that little one there. Heading towards Bird Island now. It's off in the distance. We've got Frantic and Marta Jean in front of us. Doing pretty well. It's only 12:40 at the moment, so we're going to have a nice quick trip home with this other lady. Bird Island, just about to round it.
Not the only choice I had.
Have some Powerade. That gives you wings.
Okay, we're coming close to finishing the race.
That much last in my design.
Yeah, yes it does.
Something's gone wrong.
Yeah.
And there's the par 40s racing.
Sales out of the CYC, big boat
They're doing
sailor,
with
he's
Lewin.
on there helping them out as well, and he's got the shits.
Oh,
Yeah.